The first thing we're going to start with is encoders. Now, encoders, the two we have here that we're talking about on the show are the LiveView and the Teradek. Now, what these encoders will let you do is they use cellular bonded technology, which allows you to use the output of two different modems to come together up into the cloud to become one large pipe. So basically, you can bring your bandwidth onto any field wherever you are. Now, we know that a lot of sports are on outdoor fields that aren't necessarily wired for Wi-Fi or internet bandwidth. So you need to bring your bandwidth with you when you go to these venues. All of the products we're going to be showing you today can work with these encoders on the HDMI or SDI output of these encoders. Oh, got to move away from the bobbleheads. We got it. So that you can use a LiveView Solo or a Teradek Video Go on the output of your TriCast, your Wirecast gear, your mixer, your Sling Studio, wherever it is, so you could bring your bandwidth with you wherever you go. So if you're going to be doing live sports and your tasked with doing sports are outside, these two encoders are a must thing to learn about. So let's tell you a little bit more. The LiveView Solo is available in two flavors, $9.95 or for HDMI only, or HDMI and SDI for $14,995. We also have kits available with starter packs. These include the modems that you need to get going and the data plans. So you can get the Solo with a starter pack of 2 or 3 modems and then a data plan that's unlimited data. Well, this is great for high school or school sports because you can do hours and hours of sports if you want. We want to remind you, if you sign up for that, use the coupon code SOLO-video guys to receive 5% off on your package. Can we bring this up full screen so I can show them that? Cool, awesome. We are good with that. And in fact, while that's up there, I'm going to move these guys down because they're getting in the way of everything. Next, I want to talk to you about the Video Go Live streaming controller. That's $14.90 for the Video Guide Deluxe, the Video Go Deluxe from Teradek. That is a encoder that is SDI and HDMI, and they also have a kit for $26.90. That $26.90 kit includes 2 of the nodes or their modems, as well as core credits to allow you to be broadcasting and bonding all together. So 2 different ways where you can encode and bond using cellular on an affordable level from your games. And once again, I got to stress this to you. If you're going to be doing live sports, get yourself a LiveView Solo or a Video Go. You will not regret it. It will be the best decision you ever made.